Rodrigo Sanchez, Mexican Grand Prix Director of Marketing. Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. The Mexican Grand Prix is set to go ahead as planned despite widespread devastation caused by the country's deadliest earthquake in more than 3 decades. More than 230 people have been killed, while buildings in Mexico City have been reduced to rubble following Tuesday's disaster. Mexico City's Autodromo Hermanos Rodriguez circuit is due to host the 18th round of this year's 20-race calendar on October 29, and track officials are confident that the race, the third to be staged in Mexico since its return to the F1 calendar following a 2-decade absence, has not been affected. It's been inspected twice already, from the track surface and also the buildings, and it's okay, Mexican Grand Prix Director of Marketing Rodrigo Sanchez said. "We'll continue doing the assessments as we go, but so far there's really no concern as we'll have a race. The track is fine, and we just need to refocus and get the show done." Force India driver Sergio Perez announced on Wednesday that he has already donated £125,000 to the victims of the earthquake. Perez, 27, is currently the only Mexican driver on the F1 grid and the poster boy for his home race. Perez also revealed that Carlos Slim, the Mexican telecommunications billionaire who has been heavily involved in his motor racing career, will contribute to the disaster fund. Meanwhile, Lewis Hamilton, who leads Sebastian Vettel in the championship standings by 28 points, tweeted, "A country very close to my heart. I'm praying for all those affected in Mexico."